Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reduce the microphone background noise sound. First of all, we need to have a recorded audio file. Then we open the browser, and we enter the Adobe site by typing Adobe Podcast Voice in the search. Then go down and click on the Go to Improve Speech option. Then we come to the sound correction screen with artificial intelligence. Then we throw the file of the sound we want to fix here. After the file is uploaded, we activate Enhance Speech.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to reduce background audio noise. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone. In this video
And the background noise sound in our voice recording is removed. Yes, that's all. Now we can download and use this audio file